about the windshield, because there's things normal men can do, and there's things that.
So that's the same people that build our windshields for our CF1 shields.
Yeah.
We sent them the file, and they cranked it out. It's polycarbonate. It's not glass.
Okay.
All of the windows in it are polycarbonate, but
because that is just incredible.
Yeah.
Like scratching my head, going.
Yeah. Glass would have been impossible. We tried, and you know what they told us? Even if they made the mold and did it, they have a 1/4 inch variance that they play with, and you're like, what?
That doesn't work.
What am I supposed to do with the 1/4 inch?
Is that thing on? I'm totally kidding.
So, sir, tell us, what was the inspiration for the car?
I wanted to park something over. I wanted to park something over at the roadster shop. The address there is.
What do you think of our buddy rewriting history here?
Oh, fuck.
That's the car.
You guys are gonna make me cry.
No, you did it.
No,
You
dude,
did it.
everything we told you on Wednesday when we were helping you,
We meant it.
you heard tonight.
Yeah.
It's kind of been surreal for me, honestly, to be out here with the competition I had to go against. I mean, there was some brutal stuff. There's not a lot of superpowers or super anything in Canada, except for one hot rod shop, one builder,
One goofball. One goofball.
one really nice French Canadian.
He doesn't know his boundaries.
I actually knew him back in his beginnings.
Absolutely he did.
Back in '97 or '98 when he had the Kaiser.
Yeah.
Way back.
Okay, there you go.
Before I was even in business, so that's over 25 years ago.
Yeah.
Probably 27 or 28 years ago, I met him.
It's been a while.
Yep, Pleasanton, good guys. What a show, man.
I keep saying it, but I'm so proud of you and your team.
You know what's
You
funny?
really set the bar where it belongs.
I
I don't think people actually understand the level, because you see it on the internet and everybody has an opinion, but to be here and actually physically be within like a short distance of a car of that caliber, you're in the presence of greatness. And
it's been a hell of an experience.
Yep.
I'm glad we at least made you sweat just a little bit or something. I'm hoping.
I was sweating. There was some nice cars there. I mean, your car was no slough. I literally thought you reclipped the front end and back end of the Mustang. I'm like, that's cool. Then I find out, no, you actually re-roofed a Cougar. I'm like, well, that's a lot more difficult than I was thinking. I mean, the car was just gorgeous, and I mean, honestly, the competition here was pretty decent.
Yeah, you brought a better car. There's no doubt.
Well, thanks.
The industry recognized it. The industry's thankful.
Well, I don't want to sound like a dick, but I'm 25 years in business. I've only competed one time at Detroit for the Ridler.
Yeah.
It worked out okay.
So really
I'll see you guys in 25 years.
Really good. Cheers. Next time you let me know you're coming, and I'll just wait.
Oh, stop. I'm glad you made it. I'm glad you came. I really wanted some good competition. Hey.
Perfect. Cheers. Love you.
Always.
I do.
Right back
Like
at
a
you.
brother.
Right back at you.
Cheers.